So it's now matured again, I told you. So if I added somebody else here, that would be the challenge, like a big challenge, because we'll have so much that I don't think will be so helpful. I think something else we need right now is somebody to stay here. Hmm. These are specialized tools now. I just supplied this guy. He's still angry at me that I supplied him early still. When I started, I wasn't like this now. It was taking me time to solve all these problems. But now I can just do them with ease because the system is in place. So this guy now wood is piling. You have to go back to work. He needs to go back. How about the axe that these guys are using? Can I upgrade it? Let me see if I can upgrade that axe. It says select pine. What does this mean? Ah, okay, that's the tree I'm planting for now. So in the future I can in the future I can plant other types of trees. Build modern sawmill to access 3 list. So I have to clear all these guys maybe. Right now I'm planting just pine. And we have that guy. We have 2 others. This guy is going to give me so much. Let me take this guy and wake this guy up so I can supply. Right? No need. You sleeping on the road. Wow, you see everywhere is just filled with wood. So what can we do now before we go? What last move can we make now? What last move can we make? Can we upgrade these guys? Yes, we can. Let's make them efficient. Ma, see, oh my, we just got something faster. Wow. This guy, it says watch this ad and claim this. Okay. I think that's all we're going to do today. Watch the ad and we'll claim this. Then we can go. That's all. Oh, but I'm really impressed with this movement. Okay, please supply. We're just there. We're getting started. Let's upgrade these guys too. Oh, now look at our bank account. It's just 6K. You see, businesses are just like that. Now everybody has to work so that we can make up that money back. Now you see how the returns are coming. Like it's no more 1-1, it's coming double. That's the joy of running a business. You invest, you see it work, especially if you make the right investment. Yeah, he's so happy. Me too. I'm happy too. So you see how we just make money now with ease everywhere. Everybody's happy. The process is so smooth. So you can imagine what it means. Collect this guy. It says I should get a premium pass. Then we need a subscription, but that's not why we're here. Pick this reward, take this reward, and take this reward. Take this reward too. Yeah, take this reward too. So even if I earn cash, I get rewarded for it more. That's exciting. I just applied. Pick another guy. Let me claim this guy. He gave me somebody. He gave me a beast point. He gave me another beast point. Wow, that's great. I like it. Thank you. Accept this guy too. I think. Uh, uh, if I want these guys, I'll need to watch video. No need. They will just come. See how I'm just making cool tons of cash. See how from 6 minutes, this is just like 1 minute or two, and I've made back all the money I invested. This was the guys I wanted to work on. They are stressing too much. Speed of production I want to increase. Yeah, yeah. So you see how I'm just making it cool and look very nice. It's because the systems are already in place. I can just spend all the money and invest it in the business, and I can still see the returns, like tons of them. So let's see what happens when I come back the next time for this next episode. This is part 2. Watch out for part 3. Wow, thank you. Do well to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Wake this guy up. Alright, see you next time. Follow, subscribe, like, share, and turn on the bell notification.